Let's imagine a terrifying cosmic event. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, suddenly goes off orbit and is set on a collision course with Earth. What would happen if the Moon actually collided with our planet? Get ready for a wild ride through space and time, because this scenario could be one of the most devastating events in Earth's history, if not most. The Moon isn't just a pretty light in the night sky. It's vital to life on Earth. It stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, which helps regulate climate. It also drives the ocean tides and may have even helped life evolve billions of years ago. So even the Moon drifting closer, let alone crashing, would throw Earth into chaos. Let's say the Moon is pulled off its orbit due to a massive gravitational disturbance, maybe a passing rogue planet or an unknown force from deep space. As the Moon spirals toward Earth over weeks or months, its gravitational pull gets stronger. Tides would grow enormous. Imagine 100-foot waves crashing into coastlines twice a day. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would spike from the growing stress on the planet's crust. Animals would act strangely. Navigation systems would begin to fail. The sky would light up with increasing meteor storms from debris knocked loose by the lunar descent. Panic would spread. Governments would issue evacuation orders for coastal cities. Scientists would attempt desperate measures, launching rockets to try and nudge the Moon or break it apart. Space agencies might build bunkers deep underground or on the Moon itself in a last-ditch survival effort. But unless we had decades of warning, which we don't in this scenario, there'd be almost nothing we could do. The Moon is about 1/80th the mass of Earth, but it's still huge, over 2,000 miles in diameter. When it hits, the collision would release more energy than all the nuclear bombs on Earth combined, multiplied by millions. The Moon wouldn't hit like a solid rock. It would likely break apart due to tidal forces before impact, raining down in massive chunks. But if even a large portion struck the Earth's surface, the consequences would be catastrophic. A firestorm would incinerate everything for thousands of miles. Earth's crust could be shattered, forming a new magma ocean. The atmosphere would be scorched, blocking sunlight for years. Global temperatures would plummet, followed by a scorching greenhouse effect. Life as we know it, possibly all life, could be wiped out. If anything survived, microbes deep underground, for instance, Earth would eventually stabilize. Over millions of years, new life might emerge, but it would be a different world, possibly without a moon, or with a new moon formed from collision debris, like how the original Moon may have formed billions of years ago. And if some of the Moon missed and entered orbit again, Earth could end up with rings, a haunting monument to the catastrophe. This thought experiment teaches us just how finely balanced our planet's systems are. The Moon is more than a rock in the sky. It's a cosmic guardian that's helped make life on Earth possible. While a Moon collision is nearly impossible with current physics, it reminds us of the delicate dance of celestial mechanics and how much we still depend on forces far beyond our control. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.